he's just doing tricks.
So, your name?
Obata.
Obada. Nice to meet you. So, grab the card and count on my hand 10 cards, right? Count on my hand like this.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
awesome.
the 10 card. 10 card. 1, 2. Concentrate.
Oh,
Okay, I will check the card. You're from?
Palestine.
Palestine. Okay, so check the card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, exactly. So you have the pocket? Yeah. Empty? Yeah. Put this card. Yeah. Put this card. Yeah. Sorry. Your name?
Obata.
Obada.
It's like
Okay. Obada's pocket in 10 cards in this pocket. Okay.
yes.
How many the card in here? 10?
Oh, okay, 10.
10. 9? You want? Now 11. Now 12. Now 13. Okay. And one more count like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12, 13.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can check the card. Just 3 cards
13.
in rough
How'd
hand.
you do that?
So, yeah. Grab the card.
Yeah, that
And
was a good one.
One
That
more,
was very good.
one more. 13 card in rough pocket. Yeah, put the in pocket. Do you know Korean's favorite number?
8.
Lucky
7.
7.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
6, 7.
What?
You want 8?
Sure.
Sure. Now, take out the card. Yeah, more stickers. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah. Thank you. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12,
21. Yee.
21.
Very good.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Very good, sir.
So,
How you
Thank
did
you very
that.
much.
thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you so much. And my YouTube channel.
Authentic.
Yeah, authentic.
Smash the bell.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
good,
And
very
then,
good at what you do.
Love.
Thank you very much.
Let's go to ㅅ태원.
Next
very
stop,
good.
Itaewon. Thank you.
Thank you.